Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's going to help beginners take their first steps into the world of investing. So let's dive right in. We're going to discuss 10 essential investing strategies that will set you on the path towards financial growth and security. Tip 1. Educate yourself about different investment options. Take the time to educate yourself about the different investment options available to you. From stocks and bonds to mutual funds and real estate, understanding the basics will help you make informed investment decisions. Tip 2. Set clear financial goals. Before you start investing, it's important to set clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? Is it for retirement, buying a home, or funding your child's education? Knowing your goals will help you make informed investment decisions. Tip 3. Start with low-risk investments. As a beginner, it's wise to start with low-risk investments. Consider options like index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that offer diversification and stability. These investments can help mitigate the risks associated with individual stocks. Tip 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to reducing risk and maximizing returns. Spread your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographical location. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others may balance it out. Tip 5. Invest regularly and consistently. Investing regularly and consistently is essential for long-term success. Consider setting up automatic investments or contributing a fixed amount each month. This strategy, known as dollar cost averaging, helps you buy more when prices are low and less when prices are high. Tip 6. Practice patience and long-term thinking. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Practice patience and adopt a long-term mindset. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. History has shown that, over time, the market tends to rise. Tip 7. Avoid emotional decision-making. Emotions can be detrimental to investing. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Instead, stick to your investment strategy and make decisions based on research, data, and a long-term perspective. Tip 8. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. Regularly balancing your portfolio ensures that your asset allocation stays in line with your goals and risk tolerance. Periodically review and adjust your investments to maintain the desired balance and maximize return. Tip 9. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts such as individual retirement accounts, IUR, AERAs or 401(k)s, offer tax benefits and can significantly boost your savings. Take advantage of these accounts to maximize your returns and minimize your tax liability. Tip 10. Continuously monitor and learn. Lastly, continuously monitor your investments and stay updated with market trends. Keep learning about investing and adapt your strategies as needed. The investment landscape evolves, and staying informed will help you make better decisions. And there you have it, our 10 investing strategies for beginners. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's never too early to start. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Financial Abundance Mindset for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.